Ever found yourself scrolling through your phone, streaming your favorite shows, or video chatting with loved ones and thought about the invisible threads that make it all possible? The networks, the infrastructure, the companies behind the seamless connectivity we often take for granted? Think about it. From the moment you wake up and check the news on your tablet to the last message you send before bed, chances are, a telecommunications giant is playing a significant role in your daily life. In Canada, one name that consistently comes up in that conversation is Rogers Communications. But behind this massive operation, the intricate web of cables, cell towers, and digital streams, there's a leader steering the ship. Someone making crucial decisions about the company's direction, its investments, its relationship with millions of Canadians. So, the question isn't just who is the CEO of Rogers right now, but what does that role even entail? What kind of challenges and opportunities are they facing in today's rapidly evolving telecommunications landscape? And how does their leadership impact the services we rely on every single day? Let's dive in and unravel the story behind the person at the helm of one of Canada's largest communication and media companies. To truly understand the significance of the current CEO, it's helpful to have a bit of background on Rogers itself. Founded by the legendary Ted Rogers Sr. in 1960, the company grew from a single FM radio station into a diversified conglomerate encompassing wireless communications, cable television, internet access, telecommunications, and media properties. This journey of expansion and innovation is deeply intertwined with the history of Canadian broadcasting and connectivity. Over the decades, Rogers has been a pioneer in many areas, from introducing cable television to launching Canada's first cellular network. They've navigated technological shifts, regulatory changes, and intense competition to become a dominant player in the Canadian market. This legacy of innovation and growth sets the stage for understanding the responsibilities and expectations placed on its current leader. The role of a CEO in a company the size and scope of Rogers is multifaceted. It goes far beyond simply making day-to-day decisions. The CEO is the chief strategist, setting the long-term vision for the company and guiding its overall direction. They are responsible for driving growth, fostering innovation, managing financial performance, and ensuring the company remains competitive in a dynamic industry. Furthermore, the CEO acts as the primary representative of the company to the outside world. They engage with investors, government regulators, the media, and the public, shaping the company's image and reputation. In the heavily regulated telecommunications sector, this external engagement is particularly critical. Considering the vast reach of Rogers' services, the CEO's decisions have a tangible impact on the lives of millions of Canadians. From the affordability of internet and mobile plans to the quality of network infrastructure and the content available through its media platforms, the leadership at the top plays a crucial role in shaping the digital experiences of a nation. Now, let's get to the core of the question. As of today, Tuesday, April 15, 2025, the President and Chief Executive Officer of Rogers Communications is Tony Staffieri. Tony Staffieri assumed the role of President and CEO on January 1, 2022. His appointment followed a period of interim leadership and marked a significant chapter in the company's history. To understand Mr. Staffieri's background and how it shapes his leadership, it's worth looking at his journey within Rogers. He has a long and deep history with the company, having served in various senior leadership roles prior to becoming CEO. Before taking the top job, Mr. Staffieri held the position of Chief Financial Officer, CFO, at Rogers for many years. This experience in managing the company's financial strategy and performance provides him with a strong understanding of the operational and economic drivers of the business. His tenure as CFO coincided with significant investments in network infrastructure and strategic acquisitions, giving him first-hand knowledge of the company's growth trajectory and the challenges it has faced. Beyond his financial acumen, Mr. Staffieri has also held other key leadership positions within Rogers, providing him with a broad understanding of the different facets of the organization, from its wireless and cable operations to its media division. This comprehensive experience is invaluable in leading a company with such diverse business segments. Since taking the helm, Tony Staffieri has been focused on several key priorities for Rogers. One of the most significant has been the integration of Shaw Communications following Rogers' acquisition of the company. This landmark deal, finalized in 2023, significantly expanded Rogers' footprint in Western Canada and created a national telecommunications powerhouse. Integrating the two companies, merging networks, and realizing the synergies of this acquisition has been a major undertaking under Mr. Staffieri's leadership. Another key area of focus has been network investment and expansion. In today's digital age, reliable and high-speed connectivity is paramount. Rogers, under Mr. Staffieri's direction, has continued to invest heavily in its 5G network rollout, aiming to provide faster speeds and greater capacity to Canadians across the country. This investment is crucial for staying competitive and meeting the increasing demands of data-hungry consumers and businesses. Customer experience is also a central theme under Mr. Staffieri's leadership. In a competitive market, providing excellent service and building strong customer relationships is essential for long-term success. Rogers has been working to improve its customer service operations, enhance its digital platforms, and offer more personalized experiences. Furthermore, Mr. Staffieri has emphasized the importance of innovation and adapting to the rapidly changing technological landscape. This includes exploring new technologies, fostering a culture of innovation within the company, and ensuring Rogers remains at the forefront of the telecommunications industry. The telecommunications industry in Canada is highly regulated and subject to government policies and decisions. As CEO, Tony Staffieri plays a crucial role in engaging with regulatory bodies, advocating for Rogers' interests, and navigating the complex regulatory environment. This involves participating in consultations, addressing policy issues, and ensuring the company complies with all applicable rules and regulations. Looking ahead, Tony Staffieri and Rogers face both significant opportunities and challenges. The demand for data and connectivity continues to grow exponentially, driven by trends such as remote work, streaming entertainment, and the Internet of Things. This presents a huge opportunity for Rogers to expand its services and reach more Canadians. However, the industry is also highly competitive, with other major players vying for market share. Rogers must continue to innovate and differentiate itself to stay ahead. Affordability and accessibility of services are also key concerns for consumers and regulators, requiring Rogers to balance its business objectives with the needs of the Canadian public. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.